Next thing we're going to talk about is how to stabilize your movements, how to stabilize your shots.
One thing is, if you're standing still and you're filming vertically, lock your hands in a way so that the camera will be using your body as a stabilizer or a tripod. So you can lock it like this. If you're filming horizontally, use your hands, also lock them, lock the elbows by your rib cage, and then you can move around with your body, around your center. But if you're going to be moving around, yeah, then it's not going to work like that. You will have to remove your elbows and create some kind of a gimbal. Use your body as a gimbal, as a stabilizer. Just hold a grip on your phone, and when you're moving, try to find this nice movement where you're not getting hit by any, like, not by people, not by your body that is walking around. So find position where you're not getting distractions with your hands, and you can move through the space without creating shaky shots.
Plan your camera motion before you start moving. Avoid moving your camera just because you can. It's something that often happens. Sometimes we go out there and we film very quickly and impulsively. Don't do that. Think about what you want to film and what you want to tell, because after all, when you're filming, you're a storyteller. And then one very important advice is press the record button, then wait for 2 seconds, let it film for 2 seconds, and then the action starts. One reason is because when you start filming, you might need to cut this out later on. You might need some extra footage before the action starts. That's much better than if you just start recording and the action starts, because the camera always, as you noticed, when you press record button, it takes a little tiny frame of a second to start recording action. So when you start recording, take 2 extra seconds. When you stop filming, also take your time, let the action finish, let the people stop talking, and then when you're sure they stopped talking or the action stopped, you press the stop button. Take those extra 2 seconds. It will help you when you will be editing. Sometimes it also helps when you're filming something, it helps to say press record and then say action. Yeah, and then people start talking. And for the record button, this is a very good tip, by the way. You can always press the volume button. I don't know if you knew that, but when you're filming, you can, instead of touching the screen to press the record button, you can just press the volume button, the upper one, the plus button.